That's all I need.
Alright, y'all, in this next clip, I'm actually just kind of filming some B-roll footage. I don't even have the microphone turned on. You can watch Doug kind of being funny because he knows I'm filming him. And he has his release hanging in the tree because he can't put it on with that jacket. And he finally looks over his shoulder and sees a pretty nice deer. And the way he looks at me, because he knows I'm filming, he's trying to tell me there's a shooter. But it's a pretty funny moment in the tree. The buck ends up circling around downwind of us and just kind of trots off, but a pretty good deer, and just perfect timing as far as just trying to get some film, some B-roll footage for that deer to walk by.
There he is. Ain't too bad.
Alright, in these next short clips, pretty funny moment between Doug and I. We're sitting there on an evening hunt, and all of a sudden we hear a large piece of machinery that we have no clue what's going on. It's probably 4:30, so it's getting prime time. You know, deer should be on their feet moving right before dark. And anyway, it ends up being one of the family members, landowners. He takes care of the land, and he has no clue that we are hunting this evening. He don't know we're in there, or he wouldn't have come down there and bush hogged while we were in the tree. So Doug and I, we just had a good time with it. I mean, it was prime time. Deer should be moving, you know, and we had a good time with it. And that's how you should act. You shouldn't let something ruin your hunt, especially somebody like that. Landowner, family member, he had no clue we were down there. It's pretty funny. Doug tries to wave him down with an orange hat when he rides back by later on, and he has no clue we're in that tree. We're trying to wave him down just to talk to him, see how he's doing. And anyway, awesome dude, really great guy, enjoys taking care of the land and cleaning stuff up like that. You'll see in the clip later, he actually comes down there the next day, I guess, when Doug shot his deer. He drives his tractor down there and helps us load that deer up and take it up to the truck for us. Saves us a ton of work. But just a pretty funny moment, and we had a good time with it and laughed about it and told him the next day that we saw him or whatever, and he had no clue. But he loves that land and enjoys helping us. So pretty funny few clips there.
Get it, John. Big fat John. Coach, what if I told you about littering?
About what?
About littering. I'm a kid. Get out there. Get it, yeah. Is it a shooter? Looks big. We're gonna call this one. End up out here and it's this cold. Wind blow hard enough, it's gonna pull that tree over. The wind blew kind of hard a minute ago and pulled the tree over. I had to get out there and stand it back up. That parachute got caught in it.
Oh, yeah.
What that is, must have come across the field.
Yeah.
Got a buck
I do. You need one?
for 50 cents.
Probably got both.
Actually, I need a quarter.
There you go.
I'll let you know before I pull the trigger.
Okay.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Not bad, 100 yards with a slug. What direction we headed?